This is a review of the RGB Play Bar I'm using behind my monitor. It is using this camera on top of my monitor to play out the color on the screen. So that is the app. I'm about maybe 3 feet away from the pegboards behind, so perhaps this is not super obvious. I will turn the table around so you can have a better view. Basically, we have two RGB bars sticked behind these monitor. I'm going to turn on the light so you can see it better. I have all these cables nicely managed behind the monitor mount, so it's not really visible. That is the control panel. It's using one single USB Type-C interface to provide power to these both RGB lights. And this USB Type-A port is connected to the camera on top. I moved the desk that way, perhaps you can see it a bit better. It is absolutely beautiful. In the most recent update, I'm able to do the separation of the color as a split screen. So each play bar would play a different color. So here's our app walkthrough. That's the split screen I'm talking about. And you can also do full screen, so it only has one color. Okay, usually I would do a split screen for a more immersive experience. Music, it will gain access to the microphone, and video is the current mode being used. That's usually what I use the most. And color, you can just do customization of each bar. And scene, it has some presets. This is reading, movie, candlelight, romantic, aura, breathe, energetic, snowflake, seasonal, bloom, crossing, rainbow. And there's a DIY, which I don't use. So if you get this model with the camera on top, so obviously you're gonna use the video function more often. In the settings, we can switch position of these left and right. And most importantly, you have a calibration for the camera. And you can set the boundaries of what the camera sees. And you can restart the calibration, which I'm not gonna do. And Alexa and Google Assistant integration. There's a timer. Pretty straightforward. And saturation, brightness. I'll just use it at 100%. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye. See you guys next time.